Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no bootable device on Acer laptop. For this, first turn on your laptop, then repeatedly press F2 to get into BIOS. After that, navigate to boot menu. If this disabled, please enable it. Then go to boot mode, change it to UEFI to legacy mode. Now save the settings and you are done. So that's it guys. If this would help you, please don't forget to give it a like and thanks for watching.